Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Teams to create a shared notebook that can be used in Microsoft OneNote. So we're logging on to Office 365 in the normal way that you would to log into your Outlook or something online. And you see the familiar tiles here with all the different apps. So we're using Teams. So I'm going to click on that. And you will see something that looks like this. So we're going to add a new team. So I'm going to click down here for add a team, and then we get a create team option. Now you may or may not see this. This is different types of teams that you can create, which may be something we'll look at another time, but right now I'm just going to go for anyone. Team name, I'm just going to call it testing, and it's just a test notebook. Okay. And I'm going to make it private. Don't want anyone logging in. It's something that only the people I share with want to see it. We don't want anyone seeing this information. Could be pupil related. So this is where I want to put in the people I'm going to share this with. Now if you've got a list like teachers, for example, so I could click on there and it would send it to all the teachers in my school. But I'm going to go with the test people. I think I've got another test in there, so I'm going to share it with the test people. There we go. Click add. So I've got two people in there. I've made them members. I don't want them to be able to add people. Done. So I have got a team. It says down here I've added these people to the team. I now need to add a notebook to that team. So just show you again what I did there. On this tab at the top, I've clicked add and OneNote. It's going to make a OneNote and I'm going to call it test notebook, and I'm going to click save. It's going to think about that for a moment, but it will come up with a notebook. There we go. And you'll see in this screen here, within Teams, you can see that notebook, and I can see the different pages here, and I can add pages, and I can call them different things. Test 1. I can call this page test 2. Okay. But what we really want to do is get the full functionality of OneNote. So we're going to open it in OneNote 2016. You can see I've got this button here that says open in OneNote. I don't want to open in OneNote online. Well, you might want to, but at the moment I don't want to. I want to open it in OneNote on my desktop. Now you might get an option here. I've already used this, and so I'm opening in OneNote 2016. You might get an option where you open in the OneNote app, but try and go for OneNote 2016. I prefer it. It's the full functionality. So I'm clicking on that. And you can see my OneNote is opening. It's asking me, do I give permission? Yes, I do, because I've only just created this. I know it's safe. Obviously, you wouldn't do that for anything just sent to you in an email, an unknown email, but if it's from, you're expecting it, it's from a trusted source. And you can see this is loading up, syncing the changes, and there we are. If I have a look over here, they're the two pages I set up, test 1 and test 2. And let's just see if this works. Can you see this? Question mark. Now if I go back to this, and I can get rid of this now because it's opened up on my desktop. In a few seconds we should see that what I wrote in my OneNote down here should appear in my OneNote here. I hope. I might just refresh the page to see if we can get that to come up. Let's have a look at our pages. So we've got test 1 and test 2. Can you see this? That's what I wrote on OneNote. So hopefully that will help you in opening up your OneNote and making sure it's shared with all your staff.